Alright, let's get into this Mohawk tutorial featuring hair animation products in the Zam Collection. Check out the lineup. You have the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, scalp and lift retention hair oil, styling gel, and deep conditioner mask. With the summer heat, I'm looking to keep my hair up and out of the way and moisturized. We're going to start off on clean hair and run through the leave-in conditioner from root to tip. I'm going to follow up with the hair oil to seal that in. Next up, I'm going to section off a front part of my hair. Going to give us like a little bang situation. Going to braid that and rubber band on the end. At the end of this tutorial, we'll take that down for a little crinkle. I'm going to section off my hair into 4 different sections, securing loosely with a rubber band. Going around one time, and that ensures that there's not too much tension. Make sure that your ponytails are centered, and then you can either do a messy bun or you can do more order and have a little flowered bun. You're going to pin away any flyaways so that they stay in place. Do this for each section until you feel secure. Going to do a little spin for you so you can see the back. Any extra pinning, you can do that here. Then I'm going to take apart my braids for a crinkled bang. Little spin for you. All right. Be sure to head over to Hair Animation's Instagram to learn more about their